What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Bull and Bear Lounge. It's been a wild ride lately. The markets have been absolutely crazy. We are seeing huge volatility, unexpected moves, and plenty of opportunities if you know where to look at. So today I'm bringing 3 stocks that I'm watching for the long term today. Also, a quick overview of SPY. So the first one that I'm watching for this week is Meta. So you can see Meta, despite of all the sell-off in the market, it's been holding pretty well. Of course, we're still seeing some downside. However, compared to the other stocks, this has been holding good. And you can see here we have a higher low, another higher low, another higher low. So we are not breaking below those higher lows, which is bullish. And today we had this massive candle here at opening, but we are slowly picking back up. So what I'm watching for tomorrow in the next few days is this little trend line above the 605 level. If we can manage to break above it, I'm going to be waiting for my confirmation candle and try to ride this back to 635, 640. The next one is LLI, Eli Lilly. So you can see this little wedge here. We've broke above it already on a few days ago. We try to move higher, we could not, and then finally yesterday, on Friday and today, we've made this move higher here. So all I'm waiting for is a break above 800, because as you can see, this is a very strong psychological level. We've tried to break it above it many times, but now we are approaching it again, but we are also above the wedge. So this is a great setup. If we can manage to break and stay above 800, I can see this making a move back to 850, which is this swing high here. And the third one is Apple. As you can see, Apple here, we had this previous all-time highs that we tried for many times, and actually this was a trade that we caught here on the channel. From here, this previous all-time highs, we made a massive move from 235 towards 260, and from 260, it's been day after day of selling off. What I'm waiting for here is a break above this level again, the 237.50, which once again was a previous all-time high. If we can break above it, I'm going to try to enter some calls here towards this 240, which would be my first target. So once again, I'm waiting for a 237.50 break, so we can try to ride this at least towards 241.85. And this is a very nice bullish hammer candle here. So let's see if tomorrow we can start trying to fill this wick here to the upside and finally reaching our entry target here of 237.50. And here on the SPY, as we've been tracking every single day on the Discord channel, we had this, and I've been calling this out for a long time. We have this election gap here that we've kind of filled it once and we came twice, but it's always been holding us strong support. This morning we opened below it and we stayed below it. So at the end of the day, or towards the second half of the day, we started seeing a squeeze here from the low of 275, which was this previous lows here, and then we started to make a move to the upside. I'm still not really certain on the upside here, even though we might see a run towards election day, but I'm not interested in any move to the upside unless we can move towards this zone here and start forming maybe a pennant or a triangle, and then we can catch the break of the triangle. But this is going to be a very strong resistance on this 585 area. As you can see, this was a very strong support before. For many sessions we tried to break below it and we were not able to, and when we finally broke it, it was just a strong move down. So now it's the opposite. Let's see if we can break above this 285. If we start seeing some rejection here on the 285, another thing that I'm going to be watching is for another move back down to 575. But as we play as we go, we don't have any bias. We just play what the day brings to us. So let's just wait and see what's going to come in the next few days. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys staying safe out there, and let's make some money.